In this example, we're looking at variation. It's probably helpful to read that paragraph a couple times first. Make sure you understand what's being asked. Next, we can start setting up the equation. We have electrical resistance. Let's call that R, and it's directly proportional to the length. So K times L. And notice it's also inversely proportional with the square of the diameter. So we're dividing by the diameter squared. Once you have initial setup, let's plug in some given information to find K. We know that the wire is 432 feet long. And we know that's 4 millimeters in diameter. So we have 4 squared. And the resistance is 1.24. So using this info, we can now solve for K. Cross multiply, we get 1.24 times 16, that is 19.84. That's equal to 432K. Divide both sides by 432, and we get 31 over 675. If your calculator gives you a decimal here, make sure you convert that decimal to a fraction. You don't want to round the decimal here because you may round here and have to round again at the end. And if you round multiple times, you can accumulate rounding errors. So always round only at the end if needed. So once we have K, we can plug it back into the original equation. R equals 31 over 675 L over D squared. Now we can answer the question. Find the length of the wire of the same material whose resistance is 1.44. So R is 1.44. K is 31 over 675. We're trying to find L. And now our diameter is 3. So in the denominator, we have 3 squared. To solve this, we will again cross multiply. 1.44 times 9 is 12.96. That's equal to 31 over 675 L. And then divide by that fraction, 31 over 675. And we'll get a decimal. Let's approximate that to be 282.19. And in this case, we are talking about feet.